everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Christmas snowball cookies with just 5 ingredients. I'm going to be sharing a lot of fun Christmas recipes over the next few weeks, so make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss any new recipes. You can also see my Christmas recipes over at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of chopped nuts, I used pecans, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar for the cookies plus more for the coating, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin by beating the softened butter with the powdered sugar in a stand mixer or in a mixing bowl with a hand mixer at medium speed. Add the vanilla extract and mix to combine. Pour in the flour and gently mix until cookie dough begins to form. Next, stir in the chopped nuts. If you want to make red and green snowball cookies, now is the time to mix in the food coloring. I divided my dough into thirds and had red, green, and white snowball cookies. Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and roll the dough between your hands to make 1-inch balls. Place the cookie dough balls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake the cookies at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the cookies begin to brown. Remove them from the oven and allow them to cool on the prepared baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Pour some powdered sugar into a bowl and place the warm cookies in the sugar, turning to coat. Place the cookies back on the baking sheet or on a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. I hope you enjoy this recipe for Christmas snowball cookies. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.